In front of me is OUKITEL RT8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage sound recorder. Begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. Now before recording, use this gear at the bottom left corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. Then click on this red button at the bottom in the middle of those two to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on this bin on the left and hit discard. If you want to end it and save it though, click on the square on the right. Then name your recording however you want to and tap on save. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. In order to delete it, hold it, select delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!